about us and what made you decide on Dr. Morwood?
I was referred by a doctor who I have complete confidence in. I think it's very unusual when a doctor refers another doctor who's in a separate practice, not a referring doctor type doctor, like a doctors on duty type doctor. So not only did he refer Dr. Morwood, he went out of his area to refer Dr. Norwood. We had a conversation about other doctors in the area, and he hesitated at first when I first asked him quite a few months prior to recommend anyone, and then he realized I was gonna move forward with this, and he wanted the best results for me because we're somewhat friends. We're members of the same parish, and then he did actually recommend, and when he did recommend, he recommended Dr. Morwood, so I think that says a lot.
How do you feel about the practice in Dr. Morwood?
I think the practice is just wonderful. I love coming here. The ladies are beautiful. They represent what a patient would want to look like and have wonderful personalities to go along with it, it just makes it a real nice experience. And then you also asked me what I think of Dr. Morwood, correct? He's an artist. He is it's like talking to a celebrity when you talk to him. He is very kind. He listens very well. He gives good feedback, and I like his approach to a natural end result versus a Barbie doll end result, because I've dealt with both kinds of doctors and I much prefer his response, especially being an older lady now.
Tell me about your experience with us.
Real positive. You almost feel like you're friends with the ladies in the office. Have personal conversations. It's not just all about business. Dr. Morwood is very careful about separating the financial part of his business with his consultation part of his business and his, actual surgical procedure part of his business, which I think is very professional and appropriate.
Would you recommend friends and family?
I would absolutely recommend friends and family. My husband's a firefighter. He's out of town. I have 2 dogs at home that are a nightmare. I wanted to go out of my way to come up here. The only thing that would have blocked me was a house type situation that I needed to have taken care of. That went away. So I made sure I got up here because I feel very strongly about recommending Dr. Morwood and his staff, because I know what I've gone through, and any woman who thinks about doing anything with their breasts needs to be with the right person. And so because of what I've been through and because I want them to have the right person, I made it a point to come up here, and I'm very glad that I did.
And how do you feel about your results?
My results are wonderful. We still have a part of the process to do. I think that Dr. Morwood is very appropriate in his approach, a natural approach versus a Barbie doll-like approach to what the appearance should be like. And I think as an older woman, that's what you should be looking for. And really as a younger woman, if you're mature enough to be aware of how important it is to look natural, but also to look larger, which is what we're trying for, it all comes together, and he could approach either a younger person or an older person the way he communicates what the best look is and sell them really on that being what you want versus the Barbie doll type approach. And it fits in with Northern California and Monterey and our beautiful area, and it's just a very nice package. I am very happy with my experience with Dr. Morwood and his staff.